Hi everybody, it's Nadia here and I am bringing to you my favourites of this month. And what I mean by that is I've already done my favourites and today I've come with a look with all my favourite products. But I love all these products. I use them not as regular as YouTubers, but I use them, and these are my favourites since January, December time, or whenever I first started using it. I've constantly gone back to it. So everything on my face is what I've gone back to, apart from the foundation. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Nadia and I do beauty and tutorial. I would love you to be a member of the Beautyo family. So if you want to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell, it'll let you know when I bring out another video. I decided that after I did my favourite products, I was like, why not do a tutorial on it? I love the products. I've done a look. Really love this look. Products in there I don't love. If you're a regular, you will know which products I don't love. I don't know if I've mentioned it totally all the way through. I might have done, because I'm pretty good on that. But they're in a project pan and they need to be used up. So hopefully you enjoy this tutorial. So everybody, I've put a foundation on because I'm doing a foundation review. I'm just going to go in with these. Have been beautiful, working really well together. So we've got the Extra Lasting from AVON and the number 7, and they work beautifully in conjunction with each other. And then at the same time, rather than blending one in and blending another, I just go in with my number 7 one. So I'm going to be using my beauty blender on the side and just tap Miss Beauty Lighten just to lighten under my eyes. Look, I broke the cap off it, so don't need a lot, just a little bit. It's just a slightly bit lighter, as you can tell. I'm using my e.l.f. under eye setting packet under my eyes to stop the creasing, basically, as bad. I've still got lines and it still goes in the creases, but everything does, but this just seems to work for me. Now I'm going to set the eyes with the MERICIAR. It is a nice setting, but I'm not blown away by it. Look, you get so much that comes out and you don't need that much. I would take a big powder brush, but there's way too much product on there for me. I don't need loads. I just want to make sure that when I put the rest of my products on my face, look, that they're going to blend. I've been loving this sculpting colour. I really have. Just a really light hand. You don't have to be like super heavy. Oh, my band's falling off. I've got pad on. It's more of a contour colour, which is why I like this. See what I mean? So it's really good. The next one, guys, that I've been into is the Naked Flush Streak, and I've been using the bronzer and the blusher. I'm sort of on the same spot, just to give you a bit of brown instead of looking as grey. And I like it on one of these brushes because it disperses the product nicely. So if you notice, it's not dead heavy. It's a gorgeous bronzer. can still see the sharp line of the contour as well. And I'm going in with a blusher. And I'm starting back here because look, all that product's just dispersed there. And I didn't dip in that much, if you get what I mean. I'm only going to put a little bit of this on because I have got another one that I've been loving as well. So I'll put this on. Oh, that looks beautiful. And if you think you've overdone it on your blusher, just go in with whatever you used on your powder and just tone it down. And the other things I've been loving is these colour pops. Go into the peach pop. Just a little bit, just to... And this is one that you do have to build. But because I've got that other colour underneath, I don't have to. I just think it's really pretty together. Golden-esque Glow from Tarte. Yeah, Tarte. I'm terrible. I really am. See? No tomfoolery, no nothing. Just gonna set all this powder down with my Technique setting spray bits in the Avon bottle because there's the littlest bit left and I want to get it gone. It's gone, guys. Thank God. I'm so proud of that. That was horrible, that stuff. It's disgusting smell, everything. I just don't like it. Put on some MAC balm. It gives me concealer lips, but it preps my lips for whatever I'm going to do next. So I've got no new eyebrow products. Rather than using a pencil, I just thought I'd go in with the Make Me Brow. And if it doesn't look right, then I'll go in with pencil. I'm just in a lazy mood. Going to use my number 2 blonde from Miss Beauty and just do the tail end. I'm born this way in because obviously I've used the pencil as well, so I'm going to put some gel in. There we go, set them brows, set them brows. I'm using the KIKO Skin Innovation just for my eye primer. So I'm just going to use my concealer brush and just blend it in. So I've been absolutely loving this Fire palette, and the only problem I've been finding to use it to its full ability is I'm actually been having to go into my makeshift one to get a few transitional colours going, which is not a problem, I don't mind. So to start off with, I'm going to go into Benefit one. They've got no shade names, it's just like a cream. So then I'm going to go into another Benefit colour, this colour, just in my crease. And I'm not going to mind that it's sloppy or not blended, so all I'm doing is swirling it, getting it on my brush, and there's no fallout with these. They're brilliant, they really are. And then I'm just, because it is a big brush, don't care, I am putting it all in my crease and above, because I have got hooded eyes, so, and I wear glasses as well, so I sometimes can't even see you guys. So if you see what I mean, it's like it's literally everywhere. So now I'm going to go into this is a denser brush, and I think I'm going to go for, so first of all I'm going into, that's the only problem with these, they don't tell you the thing is, so I'm going into this one where my orange finger is, get some on my brush and put it in my crease. and slightly above, only slightly. And then I'm going to go into this colour here and this one up here and just darken out that edge. And just bringing it slightly into my crease, not a lot. So, and just keep working until you actually get your desired build on it. I'm going in with the first brush and just sort of smooth it around. I'm also going to go into the Benefit pot to put on my eyelid so I can put some nice cream colour down. So, and this is actually like a really nice creamy colour. It's not got a colour on it, guys, so I can't even tell you. So yeah, I'm trying to use up the ones that I've got. So basically, this has got a colour in it, but it can be used as just a base. And then with the same packing brush, I'm going to go into, I don't want a light look, I want quite a dark look, so we'll see how this one pays off to start off with. Where is it? Just there. I'm going to go back in slightly with the top shade and just try and blend these two together so they're a little bit more seamless. And I'm just gonna run along the bottom line, the gold. I'm taking the darkest one for my edge. So that is the Fire palette, and I do love all the colours. I don't like that, put that base under, I shouldn't have done, but you learn by your mistakes, guys. I'm going to go off camera doing my mascara because I really struggle doing that online. I'm going to use my e.l.f. black eyeliner to put in my waterline. So I'm back now with my mascara and my eyeliner on. I use the e.l.f. eyeliner and the Essence mascara. I'm just going in with a neutral lip. So I'm going to be using the STARLOOKS lip gloss. Because this looks beautiful, although I'm not taking that matte off. This makes it so beautiful. All my attention's on my eyes, but I've now got a nice lip colour. Also going to be using the Illuminating Mist and Set from e.l.f. as my finishing touch. And then I'm done. Oh, beautiful. So guys, this is my finished look. I've got a mirror down. I'm not impressed with it because it needs a cut and thinning and out again. So I've got some little danglies in and a necklace on, and you know, just to look pretty. Why not? And I do like the look. I'm not impressed with that cream shadow that I used. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then please leave comments down below. Also guys, if you could hit that thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.